Well, hello there, and thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. I'm Tony, and I'm here at Keller Memorial Lodge, number 657, here in, I actually don't know what city this is. I'm going to put it right in here somewhere so you can see what city this is, because I just got here. I'm actually a little late, which is why it's so dark. But hopefully I can get in here. Parking lot looks full, so maybe they got some degree work. Ooh, that'd be awesome. But come with me as we explore this lodge. Hopefully I can get a video, because you've just entered the Coolest Life, Masonic Edition. Good news, I'm in, and I actually got received, so it was great. Well, I say received, not really received, but they allowed me to come in the lodge and watch. They actually had a master's degree, so that was always good. Up here in their main room, they've got several different plaques. They've also got an Eastern Star that meets here. Eastern Star is real popular here in North Carolina, I see. Got a past master's board downstairs as the kitchen, and they've got past masters around the side of the kitchen area. They've also got a nice elevator, because when you come in, you actually come in on the where the lodge room is, and then you can go downstairs to where the kitchen is. They got a nice area here for reception, and this is their room where you would get your aprons. I don't think I've ever seen a basket. I'm waiting for the guys to get out of there a little bit so I can get a video, and they'll be out directly. And then they've got a sign-in book here. I always definitely want to sign that every time I go to visit a lodge. But let's go inside here, and like you can see what I'm seeing. So as you first come in the lodge, you notice the floor is all carpeted. There's none of the checkerboard that you see in a lot of lodges. I actually like the soft. It really helps the echo in the room and everything else when you don't have tile. I like this. I didn't see this earlier. Huh. A lot of Masonic symbolisms there. Even name one of these given by Barbara. Nice. And you can see the columns built into the walls here with the framing. They've also got plates on the seats there. Columns. Oh no, that's actually, I guess it's kind of stuck on there, isn't it? It's a nice touch though. A little more than just a column itself. Your knocker, good size. And I really like these columns here. The columns are in really good shape. They're just different. They kind of look like a lodge we just went to, but definitely your stars up there are different. But with the two-tone, as you can see with the white and the brown, the column itself is nothing but brown. It goes all the way down. And that looks familiar. I wonder what that's for. I think I know what that's for. Going back there, and there's the other column there. I like all that there, and going around the bottom. And your globe. Chairs are comfortable. Actually, no, I sat in one tonight. You can see the chair here in the north. Normally we use that for Eastern Star. And got a piano in the back. I was hoping we had a piano player today, but we didn't have one. But that's fine. Right up here is where the master would sit. And all the furniture you can see are all, it's the same style. That's the same style as all of this. And this is one of those three-person chairs too. See, they just don't share an armrest. It's actually one big piece. And that's a good size girthy table up top. Normally, it's pretty rare that you see one quite this size. As we see in most lodges, they've got like a column that sits here off to the side. There are no arm rails here either, like what we saw at our last lodge at Mount Airy. And you see the unfinished ashlar and the perfect ashlar there. And they got their little wrapping piece of wood on the floor. They definitely used it today. And they got this in the center, but they got the G up here. So that was interesting for today. Also, they got a nice big picture of George Washington, where we normally see him with the, he's got the setting maul in his hand and holding his hat close to him. That's a pretty well-known picture that we see of him. And there's their charter. And here we come down. You can see this is, again, the same color. Everything matches to include the altar, which you'll see in just a minute. I got the ear corn suspended. And the other column here. Really good condition. Everything matches. Everything's, you know, really very uniform and clean. Right down to the last lodge we were in had the hole in the floor where they put their, but see, they don't have the hole in the floor here to put their staff. They actually have a staff holder here. And of course, you know what this is. We've got a video of that. I'll put that link somewhere up here that you can see the George Washington Memorial. Ooh, there's one there. That's got a lot of square and compasses stuff on it. I've definitely seen that one before. And the altar is really nice. Again, matches. And again, North Carolina lodges, so you're not going to see your 3 lights around here. But you are going to see your pads like that. And donated by Thomas Todd Kimball. How about that? And this, of course, is going to be table of contents, Freemasons presidents. Yeah, this looks familiar, doesn't it? I think so. Yep, definitely looks familiar. So we've got that. And they've also got I guess, just so they can show videos, and they actually just go ahead and show them right against the wall. When you turn the lights out in here, it looks really good against the wall. And that far away puts a nice picture in case they want to do any kind of presentation. But yeah, I like that altar. So if you're ever in the area, come on by Keller Memorial Lodge, right here in North Carolina, right down mid-state. We're not too far out of Salisbury. We're actually just southeast of Salisbury. But come on and visit these brothers. We had a room full of people here for the degree work. There was probably 30 on the sidelines. Not sitting in chairs. It was probably 30. We definitely had enough here to do the full degree, if you know what I mean, for a Master Mason. So we had plenty of people. I actually jumped in to help. So that's always a treat. But be sure to like and subscribe. You get a chance to come by and visit these brothers. Do so. I'm going to let you go because I need to get back out here living the coolest life. Masonic edition.